Hey guys, what's going on? Dylan here. As you see in the title, I'm doing a quest guide for the quest Ernest the Chicken. Oh, you don't need any requirements for it. You start in Draenor Manor and you talk to this chick, and it just tells you something about her husband or fiance gets stuck in, or he walks into the Draenor Manor and hasn't come out yet. So you run up here and go to open the door, through this door, up the stairs, and then you go up these little staircase, and you go in here and talk to the professor. And he tells you that, oops, shit. I was looking for a guy called Ernest, saying he's helping with one of the experiments, and he's a chicken. Change him back. Can't because he's lost some things. Tells you that he needs to find an oil can, pressure gauge, and a rubber tube. We'll get the pressure gauge first. We'll go and we'll find it the second floor. So it's in here to get the fish food. It's over there. We'll walk this way. Open the door. Oh, God's sake. We gotta get the fish food. Oh, you gotta be kidding. And then we'll go downstairs, and in the kitchen, it's over here. Open up that. Through here, and up on the shelf. No, where is it? The poison is found in the ground, apparently. Oh, there it is, over there. Alright, now you go outside. Back. Go down here. No, sorry, this is rough. I'm sort of reading the guide now as I'm doing it. You walk out here. I hate it how when you double click on something, it makes you run backwards sometimes. It's just really, really annoying. Probably fast forward these. They're just walking. I'll search the compost way here as well. I need a shovel. So you put the fish food with the poison, use the fish food, and the piranhas die, and then they float up to the surface. You can put your hand in, and you get the pressure gauge out. So you got that. Now you gotta run back inside and go back into that little room just before you go outside, and get a shovel, because then you gotta get the compost heap, which I forgot to grab a shovel before I went back outside. Ah, shit. Okay, go out through here. There's a key, rubber tube. Okay, yeah, righto. You get the key out of the compost. The shovel is there, or spade, or walk outside. Search the compost heap here, and you'll get a key. So when you go back around to the front door, a random leprechaun there. Okay, you open the door, go around to here, and you use the key on the door. There's a skeleton in here. If you're a lower level, it might do a little bit of damage, but it wouldn't really do much. But okay, there's the secret room over there you gotta go to. Open that door, go over here, and you search the bookcase. Open the door, and you go down here. Okay, this is where it gets the tricky bit. You gotta start pulling all these random levers. First of all, you pull A, B, and then D. So what's that one? Oh, click on it. That's A, and then you come back and pull lever B. And then you go and pull lever D. Southwestern door. That one. Click on the bloody thing. That's C. So that one is D. And after that, yeah, enter the southwestern door. So that's this one down here. That's a jar. And then you leave and pull lever A, then B again. And enter the western door. The northwestern. Up here into the western door. And the northern door. F and then E. F. And then E. And then you pull lever C. To the northwestern door, which is that one up here. And pull lever E. And then into this, no, pull the lever. then there, right here, and then there, and then there, and then you can go into this room here and go get the oil can. Sorry if that was a bit confusing, but just replay it if it was a little bit hard. And then you go all the way up to the professor again with the 3 items, the pressure gauge. Just pull the lever to open the little hatch thingy, and go back through the door and up the stairs. Up and then up those stairs, and then you go talk to the professor. I found anything? Yeah, I have everything. Give them here, and give them to him, and then he puts them all in the machine, and then turns him back into a normal person. And then just go through all the dialogue, and you finish the quest. Okay, thank you guys for watching.